Hi there, I'm Jennifer Bailey, Realtor for Vero Dream Homes at Dale Sorensen Real Estate. In this episode, we're going to be talking about smoke detectors for your home. See a few different kinds, how to solve the constant beeping, when to test them, and where and how often to change the batteries. If you like this episode, be sure to click on the subscribe and the little notification bell so you can get alerts each time I publish a new informative video. So happy to have you join me in this episode. My name is Jennifer Bailey. I'm a realtor for Vero Dream Homes at Dale Sorensen Real Estate, serving the many amazing buyers and sellers in the sunny Vero Beach, Florida area. On this channel, I cover lots of real estate tips, area info, and helpful things to know about your home. Well, enough about me and this channel. Let's talk about those smoke detectors. I decided to talk about this particular topic because recently I, along with my dog, were rudely awakened at 4:30 a.m. in the morning by very loud and piercing beeps, and it wouldn't stop. Looks like I missed the battery changing window for my smoke detectors and maybe could have used the reminder. So up I was in the middle of the night, climbing up on a chair, pulling my smoke detector down to change the battery and make it stop so I could go back to sleep. Well, I decided this is a good opportunity to talk a little bit about the smoke detectors and when is the right time to change those batteries. First, there are many different kinds of smoke detectors. You might look a little like mine, or maybe very different. Here's a few examples. If your smoke detectors are older than 10 years old, the U.S. National Fire Protection Association says that it's time to replace it. Before purchasing your home, you should have a full home inspection done. Some inspectors test those smoke detectors and some inspectors don't. Some states have the fire department come check them as part of your home inspection process. In Florida, it is not a requirement that the fire department check them out, but it's a pretty good idea for you to ask your inspector to check them for you. Every home should have multiple smoke detectors. Check with your local building codes to see how many your home should have and where they should be located at. Second, you'll see a test button on your smoke detector. It's a good idea to press on that button once a month to make sure that it will still scream if it needs to. Third, there is a compartment where you should be able to replace a probably 9-volt battery into it. The place for the battery could be on the side of the smoke detector, it could be on the top. You'll need to twist it off the mounting bracket to get it down. Some of those smoke detectors are connected through electrical wiring that goes through your entire home as well. Some of them are not attached to any wires at all. If yours has a new battery and is still chirping, you may need to contact an electrician to replace the smoke detector for you. If you need a contact for a great electrician, just give me a call. I have a large network of service professionals that do really great work in our area. So now you pulled it apart, just pull out that old battery and install the new. Be sure to press that test button again to make sure that it's working and then twist it back in place. The best way to remember to change those smoke detector batteries is every daylight savings time ends. So fall back an hour on your clocks and also change those smoke detector batteries. Hope these tips help you remember when it's time to change those batteries and keeps you and your furry family from getting rudely woken up at 4 in the morning to a chirping alarm. Oh, and never just remove them from your home. They could save you or someone you love's life in the case of a fire. Feel free to also share this video with your friends and family that might need reminding to change their smoke detector batteries too. If you liked this video, I'd love for you to click on the little thumbs up icon. I'd love to hear what you do to remember to change those batteries. And I'd love to hear your stories about being woken up from a dying smoke detector beep too. Leave them in the comments below. You can also call me at 772-559-5524 to get contacts for those handymen that can help you change those batteries, or for any electricians who can install new ones for you. If you'd like to keep watching more great videos, I have this fun video where I talk about great places to take your doggy in the Vero Beach area. Thanks so much for watching. I hope I get to see you next week. I'll be posting new videos every Monday morning.